there friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Captain Mickey Mouse, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started by framing the hat on the top. We're going to draw this curved line on a diagonal. Now from that point on the side, we're going to arch this up, and we're going to tuck that back across to the right hand side. Now on each side, we're going to curve this up on a diagonal. Let's continue to round this out. So on the left hand side, we're going to curve this over and through to the center. And then we'll continue to round this out, curving this over, back down, connecting that together. Let's draw in a little stripe on the top here. So just following that arch line on the bottom, we're just going to curve this all the way over and then back down on the right hand side. Let's draw in the symbol in the middle. So right on the top here, we're going to draw in a circle. Let's draw in the Mickey Mouse head here now. So in the middle, we're going to draw in another circle. To the left and right hand side of this, we're going to draw in a smaller circle for the ears. Now on either side of this, we're going to curve this line up, pulling that back in on the very top. Coming back down into the middle again, curving this over, pulling that back through. And then we're going to make our larger one on the very bottom. So again, just curving that over, tucking that back in underneath. Now let's draw on the Mickey ear on either side. So starting on the top, we're basically just going to draw in a nice big circle, curving this around, tucking that in underneath. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now let's come down for the head. So leaving a gap here, we're going to draw in the arch line for the base of where the eyes are going to go. From the center, stepping over, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line, tucking that in on the left. And then we'll do the exact same thing, leaving a gap on the right hand side. Now let's draw in the pupil. So stepping down, we're going to curve this over, tucking that back in. And then we'll replicate that on the right hand side as well. Now let's draw in a circle on the top for the highlight. Let's go ahead and color in the pupils black now. Moving directly underneath that in the center, now for the nose, let's just draw in a nice big sideways oval. Now on the top, let's add in the highlight, drawing in another sideways oval. And then just coloring in the nose black. Now for the mouth, coming underneath, stepping over on the left hand side, we're going to draw in a curved line, arching this all the way across to the right. And then we're going to add in a corner bracket on each side. Let's come down underneath in the middle, drawing in a nice big arch line for that smile. Now in the center, coming down for the tongue, we're just going to arch that line across. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the left hand side. Now for the chin, let's draw in another arch line underneath, following the shape of the mouth. And then from that point, just curving this all the way back around, pulling that in for the cheek. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now for the side of the head, we're just going to curve this around and up to the hat. We'll do the exact same thing on the right hand side as well. Now closing off the head from that cheek, we're just going to curve this back around and through to that hat. We're replicating that on the right as we do so. Now let's come underneath. We're going to straighten out the body this time, just the head's going to be tilted. So underneath, right in the middle here, we're going to draw in an arch line, creating the bottom part of the oval for the middle of the bow tie. And now on both sides, we're just going to draw a diagonal line coming out. From that corner, we're going to curve this back up to the chin. And then now from here for the jacket, we're just going to draw in another curved line on the left. We'll do the exact same thing on the right, and we're just going to end that at the same height. Now let's close this off on the bottom with a curved line. Now to the right of this coming in, we're going to pull this line up. To the left-hand side, arching that through to the bow tie. And then we'll come back up on this line, curving that in. Let's move across on the right-hand side again, curving that out. And then from that corner there, we're just going to curve that back through to the left. Let's add in the buttons now. So on the left-hand side, let's draw in a small circle. We'll step across, doing the exact same thing on the right. Let's drop down now. We're going to draw in another small circle. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the left. Let's draw on the arms. So from the chin, a diagonal line coming out. We'll do the exact same thing on the opposite side. Now coming down for the bottom of the arm, we're going to line that up at the same height, drawing this diagonal line coming back in. Now let's come up, and we're just going to arch this over and in. We'll do the exact same thing on the top, pulling that down on the right. Now let's add in 3 curved lines here. We're just going to leave an even amount of space as we do so for the wrist. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's add in the hand here. So from the top, we're going to curve this around, over, back in, and then up. Replicating that on the right. So we're going to curve this down, around, back in, and then up. For the thumb, we're going to arch this over, around, and then back in. Let's do the exact same thing on the right-hand side. For the middle of the palm, we're just going to curve this line down to the bottom. And now moving across again, we're just going to draw in 2 more curved lines, pulling that through to the top to separate the fingers there. Lastly, for the legs right in the center, we're just going to draw in a straight line that comes down to the bottom. On each side of this, we're just going to curve this out to the side. Now from that edge, we're going to round this out, tucking this over and in. Replicating that on the right-hand side as well. Moving up on this line here, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming up to the top. And then now from the center, we're just going to curve this line out on each side. And that is it. That's how you draw Captain Mickey Mouse. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.